A very warm welcome to this training session of Bosch Home and Garden. My name is Dino. I'm product trainer of Bosch Home and Garden, and I proudly present you today the new DIY hand tools. They are not only characterized by a very high quality, they also have a lot of intelligent and clever features. And what these features are, that you can work very comfortable and very easy with the tools, we will see now in detail. And what you of course also need at home is a folding ruler or a measuring tape. And also in this measuring tape, we have some clever features included. So we have here also the auto stop, and of course we have here a very precise scale included. Also the straightness is up to 1.80 meters, so that you can also measure materials which are away from you. You see here up to 1.80 meters, it's not a problem. And also you have here two hooks included. Normally, or normal measuring tapes only have one hook, but if you want to measure something above you, it's also very useful if you have here the second hook, because here you see you can hang it here with the second hook and have direct the view on your scale from the front side. And also for small areas like here, you can use that because the housing here has a width of 7 centimeters. You can read it on the housing and can edit it to your result. And which is very comfortable is also the belt clip here, so that you have it every time with you.